Beauty Focus Collagen Plus is a beauty skincare supplement, a collagen powder that delivers a host of anti-aging benefits for a more youthful looking skin. Intake of collagen peptides in Beauty Focus Collagen Plus can help you maintain skin elasticity. It can have a positive impact on skin radiance. It can help to keep the normal structure of the skin. It can reduce wrinkles around your eyes, and Collagen Plus, if you use it together with our Age-Lock LumiSpa skincare system, that's our cleansing system, then this combination can really contribute to skin radiance, support skin texture, and have a positive overall appearance on the skin. So that's really great news. But another good thing about Collagen Plus is that it, together with some of our other supplements, is scanner certified. If you're not familiar with the scanner, then please reach out to someone in your Neoskin network or contact us to learn more. Each sachet of our Collagen Plus blend contains collagen hydrolysate. Our collagen is under specific controls by our supplier, and the process is called hydrolysis. This process obtains the right collagen peptide profile, or you could call it peptide fingerprint, that is optimized for skin beauty. This is illustrated by the positive effect and visible improvements in the appearance of several of skin features. The blend also contains wheat oil extract. Wheat oil extract is a plant-based source of ceramines, so a class of lipids that are naturally found inside of our skin cells and are known for the positive effect on skin beauty. Collagen Plus further contains lutein that's derived from marigold flowers. Lutein is a carotenoid pigment that's found in nature. It gives colors to many of the colorful things you see, such as flowers, for instance. We have a clinical study that evaluates the effect of taking Beauty Focus Collagen Plus once a day for 120 days. The study is a double-blinded study, so some people got Collagen Plus every day, whilst others got our placebo supplement. Neither the test subject nor the clinical grader that grades the results knew which group got placebo or which group got Collagen Plus, and that's why we call it double-blinded. At different time points in the study, a dermatologist rated the visible skin results, including overall skin appearance, skin texture, and radiance. The dermatologist used a 5-point scale, where the highest value of 4 correspond with the worst skin condition and the lowest value of 0 correspond with the best skin condition. So 5-point scale from 0 to 4. All right. In the study results that's shown in this graph, then the lower score will then indicate the greater improvements in the skin appearance. The study results showed that the dermatologist graded subjects who took Collagen Plus as having a significant improvement in radiance, improvement in skin texture, and overall skin appearance as compared to baseline, while the placebo group did not see any significant changes. In the same study, we wanted to investigate the concept of taking care of your skin from the inside and out. So the researchers evaluated the visible effects of taking Beauty Focus Collagen Plus, but also using our Age-Lock LumiSpa skincare system daily. The results were even more impressive than when you use Collagen Plus alone when it came to the overall visible skin appearance, skin texture, and skin radiance. So Collagen Plus and our LumiSpa skincare system is a great combination if you're looking to have a more youthful looking skin. Mix 1 stick into a small glass of water and stir, and then drink it within the first few minutes after mixing. You take 1 stick a day, any time a day, it doesn't matter, and you can drink it with or without food. You can even mix the powder in a smoothie or have it in your tea. Consistency here is really the most important thing, so make yourself a routine so you remember to take the powder every day. Maybe it's in the morning with your tea, maybe it's in the afternoon with your yogurt, or maybe it is at night in a glass of water. Anyway, we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Cheers, guys!